What is a code case? Well, it all starts with you. Whenever you see a potential safety concern, such as a dangerous structure or a hazardous condition, report it to Austin 311. Once the Austin Code Department receives a service request to investigate a safety concern, a case is created, and a code inspector hits the road to inspect the possible violation. If the code violation is confirmed, the inspector collaborates with the responsible party, such as a property owner, to resolve the violation. They educate the property owner about city codes and outline the necessary actions and a timeline to fix the violation. If the property owner resolves the code violation within the allotted time frame, this is called voluntary compliance, and there is generally no associated fine or resulting citation. However, if a code violation does not get resolved through education and collaboration, then the final step is enforcement. If the property owner does not bring their property into compliance within the allotted time frame, they are issued a citation and additional enforcement measures may be taken. Escalated enforcement and quasi-judicial proceedings help to ensure that Austin structures do not pose a threat to public health and safety. Quasi-judicial proceedings and judicial proceedings can include the Building and Standards Commission, administrative hearings, municipal court, and district court. With safety as our top priority, the Austin Code Department would like for you to remember that if you see a dangerous structure, damaged buildings, or substandard and hazardous conditions, please contact Austin 311.